Next question. Consider the following statement. Okay, there are two statements. Statement 1, harmonic mean. So we have covered arithmetic mean, we have covered geometric mean. Now we are covering harmonic mean. Harmonic mean for data set 8, 5, 16, 2, 5 is 4.89. So we have to first apply the formula of harmonic mean and get the answer whether it is correct or not. What is the formula of harmonic mean? N divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by xn. So that's the formula of harmonic mean, which uses divisor method. So 1 by 8, let's first calculate the denominator. 1 by 8 plus 1 by 5 is 0.2, I know, so I'm directly adding a 0.2 plus 1 by 16. So bracket open, 1 divided by 16 equals to, plus bracket open, 1 by 2 is 0.5, so I'm directly adding a 0.5 plus 1 by 25. So bracket open, 1 divided by 25. I am getting the denominator as 0.97. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to just multiply it by 5 by something. So it's 5 by that number. Let's inverse that. 1 by x is there because we are dividing it. So if I inverse it, it comes to multiplication format. So 1.03 into a 5. I am getting 5.15 as my harmonic mean. However, the answer is 4.89, which is incorrect. So this statement 1 is incorrect. Okay, I'm getting my harmonic mean as 5.15. What I did, when I got the denominator, what we would have done, it should have been like 5 divided by 0.97. What I did was I pressed the 1 by x button that's there on your calculator. So when you press a 1 by x button, it inverses the number that's there on your calculator screen. So denominator comes to numerator with the multiplication format. It's like doing 1 by 0.97 and then multiplying it by 5. It's the same thing. Okay. Statement 2. This is analytical. Geometric mean for data with different observations is higher than arithmetic mean. Read it thoroughly. Geometric mean, we know that AM is greater than equal to GM, greater than equal to HM, and there is no exception to this rule. Geometric mean for the data with different observations. So equal to only comes to into picture when all the observations are same, like 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. That's what we discussed. But the observations are different. So AM will be greater than GM will be greater than HM. Geometric mean is higher than arithmetic mean. Sir, this is incorrect. Because geometric mean will be lower than arithmetic mean and will be higher than harmonic mean. This statement is inverse, basically, I would say. This statement is incorrect. So statement 1 was incorrect and statement 2 is also incorrect. So I would go for option C, that is none of the statements are correct. And the rationale we have already discussed is something there. I think the calculation, the answer we got was different. Maybe I have to recheck it, but the answer is 5.39, but we got a 5.15. However, if you go ahead and solve it, I think you will get the same answer. So maybe I did some error in my calculator. Let me check again. 8 inverse plus 5 inverse plus bracket open, 16 inverse plus bracket open, 2 inverse plus bracket open, 25 inverse. Oh, sorry. Denominator comes as 0.9275. It's not 0.97. So I did an error, I think, maybe in calculation. Now when I inverse it, I'm getting 1.078, which if multiplied by 5, we get a 5.39. So yes, this statement is this answer is correct. The one we calculated previously was not correct. Okay. So both the statements are incorrect, and you know the rationale for the same. So